Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a running web server, PHP, MySQL, and HTTPS. Once done, create the site record in Matomo and set time zone and access roles so data aligns with your team. Next, copy the JavaScript tracking snippet or plan a tag manager deployment. This is your data pipeline. Make sure to choose the correct URL variant and avoid duplicate sites, because inconsistent URLs break session stitching and inflate metrics. You now implement tracking and configure measurement. Insert the Matomo JS into your site template before the closing head tag, or set up server-side tracking when you need to avoid client exposure. Then define goals and funnels to measure conversions, add custom dimensions for user segments, and enable e-commerce tracking if relevant. Also, enable bot filtering and IP anonymization to keep data clean. Make sure to test events and goals in real time to verify accurate hits and parameters. You wrap up by validating collected data. Use live and visitor log to confirm events and page views appear. Once validated, build dashboards, schedule report exports, and configure email alerts for anomalies. If you see missing data, follow one key troubleshooting path. Check the browser console for JS errors, verify ad block or tag blockers aren't stripping the script, inspect cores and HTTPS issues, and review server access logs for 404's. Fixing one of these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.